Hello everyone, this is Discord Swift Tutorials Part 2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the new Discord poll feature that Discord recently added. If you noticed recently, Discord posted a new video on YouTube showing off their new Discord poll feature. This poll feature is built into Discord itself, and by this time this video is coming out, it should be rolled out to every single server on Discord. Before you can create a poll, you must have permission in the server to do so. The first step in using this new Discord poll feature is to go down to the bottom left corner in any channel and click this plus sign. And just like creating a new thread, you click this plus icon here, but instead you'll click this create poll button, which will be visible to you if you do have permission to use it. So let's click this now. And as you can see, it opens up a new window for creating a poll. The first step is to create a question that you'd like to ask for your poll. For this one, I'll keep it simple, and I'll say, what is your favorite color? And this will be a selection of 3 colors. So we could now choose the answers that the user can choose from to answer this question. So for the first one, we could do red. We're just going to stick with basic colors here. And then we could choose an emoji to accompany the text answer. So for this one, I will do a red circle. And the next one we could do blue. And then accompany that with a blue circle. And then to add a new answer, because you start off with a default of 2 answers, or a 50-50 chance. But you could add more answers, up to 10 answers on your poll. So we could keep adding answers all the way up to 10, if you really like. But we only need 3 for this one. So we'll just keep 3, and we'll choose the third answer to be pink. So now let's choose a pink circle, or a pink heart, that'll work. And then now, the last step is to choose the duration of your poll. So there's a few options here: 1 hour, 4, 8, 24 hours, and 3 days, and 1 week. Currently they don't have a month option because that would be pretty long for a poll. And even a week is a really long time for a poll. But we'll just keep it at the default 24 hours. And then lastly, you could choose the allow multiple answers option, which basically means that they could choose, well, multiple answers out of the poll. But for this one, you choose your favorite color out of these 3 colors, so you are forced to choose one of these answers. So now you just click post, and there you go. As you can see, the poll is created here. There's even an info sign saying that they are in beta, so they can only be created by certain users. So that's probably either that means it's just a permission lock to like admins or something, or maybe maybe it hasn't rolled out to, like, they haven't created a poll permission yet, but should be fine. And now we could test this out here. So let's just choose red, and then you could click vote, and there we go. So it shows so once you vote, now before you vote, you don't see the amount of votes on the options or the percentage of the votes on the options until you vote. But once you vote, then you could see all those stats. And you also have the option to remove your vote afterwards. They'll probably add a feature where you can choose, or so you can make it so people cannot remove their vote once they make it. Actually, no, there is a show results button here, so you can see it before you vote. But yeah, so that's how you create polls in Discord. It's a really cool feature. Please tell me what you guys think in the comments. If it's you know, is it do you think it's a great update to Discord? Do you think it's not? I personally think it is a great addition to Discord servers, and like we've needed polls for a long time, and using bots for something like this, or just simply like typing an announcement in a chat as a poll is just weird. Like, it seems like it should be implemented like it is in most apps. Like, it's implemented into YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, so why not have it in Discord, right? Especially Discord, actually, because we probably use polls the most. out of all the social media platforms. So I think it's great. Tell me what you guys think. But that's it. That's it for this video. If you have any questions down below, just leave any comments that you like. And I'll see you guys in the next Discord Swift tutorial or the next Discord 101 series tutorial. Please subscribe. Going for 500, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.